It's a beautiful day today here at Independence RV, located in Winter Garden, Florida. I'm your host, Dan Healy, and today I'm going to share a 2020 Newmar Dutch Star Model 4369. It's a bath and a half floor plan. Let's take a look around. The passive steer system located on this Freightliner XCR chassis offers a passive steer here where the rear tire will swivel at the same direction that you turn the coach. So if you're in a tight campground situation going through a campground loop, or you need to get close to a gas station island, the turning ability here with your rear axle allows you to get closer to tight areas. This coach has about 8,700 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. So that's going to be handled between this axle and the front axle. So you can load up the large storage tray and the pass-through tray with all the things that you want from home so you can enjoy the outdoor lifestyle. The pass-through tray is accessible from either side of the coach, and above the tray you've got a 43-inch flat screen LED television, and it's convenient. You can put double Gerard awnings out so you can enjoy the ball game or a NASCAR race. And then finally, you've got a Dometic 3.77 cubic inch refrigerator freezer. This is an improvement for the 2020 year. It's gone up from a 2.8 cubic foot refrigerator to the 3.77. Also, if you'll notice, all the baggage compartment areas here on this coach for 2020 are now 2 inches taller, giving you better access to the entire coach. Independence RV tends to order in its diesel pushers with this emergency egress door. So, should you have, in an unlikely event, a fire or something where you need to escape and the access point to the front is not available, you have this emergency egress door with ladder. We're now inside our 2020 Dutch Star, and as you recall, this is a Freightliner chassis. And what's new for 2020 is the digital dash display, providing important information, miles per hour, RPM, the air pressure in both front and rear axles, as well as important other warnings and communication. In addition, the Comfort Drive steering is controlled and through the dash here with a brand new feature found only on the Freightliner chassis, which is the transmission stock here, where you're going to change your gears from drive, neutral, and reverse right here on a steering stock attached to the steering column. I'm sitting in a flex steel seat, a 6-way seat with heat, power, and it also swivels. Plus, you've got power footrest, not only for the passenger side, but also for the driver's side too. Notice that the passenger side has a fold-away laptop computer station. You can also use it to read a book or reference a map. Part of the 37 optional upgrades found on this specific Dutch Star include a pair of dual swivel recliners located on the driver's side, and they're separated by a lamp stand. Opposite the swivel recliners is a fold and tumble sofa with air mattress. It sleeps two, and behind it, on a televator, a 50-inch 4K flat screen television. We're now mid-coach in our 2020 Dutch Star, and you'll notice our residential size Whirlpool 2-door refrigerator offering water, an ice maker and freezer drawer below. It's adjacent to a pull-out pantry offering 6 adjustable shelves as well as illumination. As we work deeper into our galley area, take note of the caramel glazed cherry hardwood cabinetry with a high gloss finish. Inset within it is a microwave convection oven, and below, solid surface countertops where I've removed the covers for both the true induction dual cooktop and the undermounted sinks here with gooseneck faucet. This gives you plenty of prep area. The true induction range here is portable, so you can take this out, put it on a picnic table, so if you're cooking a steak and you don't want to have the grease and smoke in cabin, you can take it outdoors. In addition, you've got additional space here for meal prep, utilizing a extender here with drawers, and when the meal is all finished, cleanup's quick and easy, utilizing the dishwasher in a drawer. We're now in the dining room opposite the galley. This one offers a Euro booth dinette with a pair of hidden leaves that can be put in place here, and you add 2 folding chairs that are stored conveniently under the master bed, and you can seat 4 very comfortably and perhaps even 6. We've just traveled past the half bath in this bath and a half floor plan, and we're now in the master suite, where you'll notice we have a king size sleep number bed with dual controllers, so each person can have the sleep number that's best for them. At the foot of the bed, we've got a pair of shirt wardrobes flanking a 43-inch 4K colored flat screen television. There's 5 drawers below for apparel, and there's also a drawer containing a Blu-ray disc and DVD player. We've stepped up into the rear master bath, where behind this cabinetry, you've got a Stack Splendide washer and dryer. You notice that we've got a cathedral ceiling, which is great for people who are over 6 feet in height. Here, on the passenger side, we've got his and her dual vanity sinks opposite the commode and the large glass enclosed shower that offers a fold-down seat and an assist handle. Behind us, we've got a full-size wardrobe closet here with inset shelves, and there's also in the corner a safe for your valuables. This concludes our tour of stock number 9939, a 2020 Newmar Dutch Star Model 4369, the bath and a half floor plan. We have other bath and a half floor plans in both 40 and 43-foot lengths here at Independence RV. So please take advantage of the number down below or visit our website at www.independencerv.com.